Hi, I'm Jeff.
And I'm Paige. And together we are
Jeff and Paige.
This is baby Alice. We're so excited to introduce you to our activity for the day. It's called Get to Know a Tree. It's a classic environmental education game that invites you to tune in to your other senses by removing one of them, your eyesight. This is a hands-on game. If you don't have a place to do this that you feel comfortable with, that has a lot of trees, instead, you could do it with just about anything in your backyard, your balcony, your house. Pick 3 or 4 different objects and have fun exploring what they might be without using your eyes.
Check it out.
In this week's video, we'd like to show you a nature game that you can play just about anywhere. Here's what you'll need. Somewhere with more than one tree, some way to cover your friend's eyes, and at least one trusted friend. Not you. That's better. You'll do just fine.
Ready to play?
Ready to play.
Cover your friend's eyes. Make sure they're not peeking. No peeking, Jeff. Spin your friend around 3 times so they're a little disoriented. Lead them carefully to a tree. Make sure they're not stepping on anything or tripping. Give your friend some time to get to know the tree using all of their senses except for sight. Listen to the tree, smell the tree, touch the tree. Lead your friend back to where you started. Spin them around one more time. Remove the blindfold and see if they can identify which tree they got to know. Nope, Jeff, not that one. Try again. That's the one. Good job. Hey, Jeff, you did a really great job in the game.
Thanks, Paige.
I'm wondering how you knew which tree you got to know after I took the blindfold off.
Well, Paige, I knew it wasn't a pine or a cedar tree because of the way it smelled, and the tree I was getting to know had rough bark, not smooth. Finally, I noticed that the tree I was touching had 2 different trunks coming together. That's how I knew.